na ria gatatu ria mihango ya uthikuria wa meri kuria mutito-ini wa Shakahola kana kuringana na Kindiki augete ati mioyo mingi ni kikoro kana ni gikoretwo kana ni akiurie na kuria augete ati undu uyu ndugagikorwo ugicokerwo ringi kuona ati thirikari ni igitete wega gutigirira ati ni ahithuria undu o wothe uria ugikorwo hithanitio guku na kwiranira gukorwo makihurana na undini mwogomu na makeria guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Mwandiki tuti mucwe wa Maina ni wagitinda kirumanira na riboti ino ya gucokereria kwa mihango ya Shakahola na agituhariria riboti ino.
Work has been carried out can never be again reverted to normal and ordinary human activity. And for that reason, once the scene of crime is clear of the investigations and subject to any directions that may be given by the judiciary, the scene of crime will be taken over as a national memorial. And therein, government, in consultations with the members of the public, including the local community, will convert this scene of crime to a place of remembrance so that many, many generations to come, many centuries into the future, Kenya and the world will never forget that there was this kind of outrage on humanity here in Shakahola.
Thutha wa kwigiria maithori na gucakaya iko cia andu matanyiheirie magana meri ma 22 hari ni itena ria mbere na ria keri riu Professor Kindiki na urene minister wa ugitiri wa thiini ni ekinyirie mugunda-ini wa kiehana maithori irikisetwo ni kiugo udini kuria aruguririe itena ria gatatu ria guthikuria kwambirira makiria.
One, what has happened here is not a small matter. It's not a small matter for Kenya. It's not a small matter for humanity all over the world. What has happened here is a grave outrage on humanity.
Akiana ndumiriri yake ire yonanitie murugamo wake wa kuhukia thina ta uyu eranire ati riu mugunda uyu ugutuika ta kiririkano na gutire tabarira cia muingi ciguthie na mbere ringi.
A commemoration service presided over by men and women of faith from various religions so that we can also be able to rescue the damage that some people would want to visit on the different religions we have in this country.
Andu othe utakomakania witikio wao maricemanagia mugunda-ini uyu ari ta njira ya gucakaya na kuririkana mioyo iria yuriire tiri-ini uyu wa Shakahola. Niguo gutengeria uthuthuria mugunda uyu ni kugayo kuri icunji cia eka 100 na niguo gutigirira gutiri mwiri watigwo tiri-ini uyu.
All faiths, all religious faiths within this vicinity, so that again the true believers of faith from every religion and every faith and the leadership of our country at all levels can converge here and stand in solidarity with our people whom we have lost in this manner, and the local community and the country, and make a pronouncement in solidarity with the victims of this egregious crime from here.
Kiraniro kiria eranire ni ati gutiri hindi igoka Makenzi atukane na muingi kana one thingo citari cia njera ni amorutete bururi wothe maithori na ngero yake ya kugegania.
I am aware the kind of punishment that is given to people who commit the kind of crimes he has committed based on my professional background.
nao aria makorirwo magitharwo moko-ini mago kiria Makenzi amendeirie na njira ya thiomi cia witikio matinyiheire 95 kuria 19 macemanithitio na family ciao. Witikio uria watuikite tari uriro riu utuikite maithori handu-ini ha Mutingi TV ria kwoni Maina wa Mucwe.